In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put items on sale on Shopify. Whether you're running a seasonal promotion or simply trying to move inventory, knowing how to set up a sale in Shopify is essential for maximizing your store's potential. We're going to walk through this together in just a minute, so let's dive right in. To get started, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and head straight to the home page, which is often the control center of your store. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of the dashboard where you'll find the Products tab. Go ahead and click on this tab. It's your gateway to managing and adjusting all the items you have for sale. Once you're in the Products section, you'll see a list of all your products. For this example, let's put our focus on a specific item. Let's say, Example Shirt 2, which we want to put on sale today. Clicking on this product will open up all the details related to this item. Now, as the item page loads, pay special attention to the menu options along the top. You're going to want to select Pricing. This is where adjustments are made to your product's financial details. Once you're in the pricing section, you need to locate the price box. This box represents what your customers will actually pay. If you're setting a sale, think about what discount you want to offer. Maybe a 20% reduction, or perhaps a flat $5 off. Enter the appropriate number that fits your sales strategy into this box. But to really make your sale stand out, you will also need to engage the Compare at Price. What you do here is crucial. Enter your original, non-discounted price in this section. Why? This creates a visual comparison for your customers, emphasizing the value they're getting with the discount. It's a powerful tool for boosting sales as it shows the savings directly to the consumer. And just like that, you're done. You've now successfully put Example Shirt 2 on sale. Remember, it's not just about changing numbers, but about making your sale visually appealing and easy for your customers to notice and benefit from. This simple yet effective method can be repeated for any other products that you wish to put on sale. Take these steps with confidence, and you'll be well on your way to running successful promotions that attract customers and drive sales. Keep experimenting with different pricing strategies to see what works best for your store, and always stay tuned for more quick Shopify tips. Thank you for watching, and happy selling on Shopify!